Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 4 EVS, Unit 21, Food and Fun. So let us begin with the fill in the blanks. The first one, Manpreet's parents were at the Gurudwara when Divya and Swastik visited them. Question 2. A lot of activity was going on in the Gurudwara when the children reached there. Third, all of the people in the Gurudwara sat on daris to have langar. Fourth, the Kadha Prasad is a kind of halwa. Fifth, the Golden Temple is a place of worship for Sikhs. Sixth, every Gurudwara serves free food for all called langar. Seventh, Adras is reading of Guru Granth Sahib. This is the holy book of the Sikh people. Eighth, a place where children stay and study is a hostel. 9. The cooking and eating together in a Gurudwara is called langar. So now you all can see, children, this is a hostel, which is also called a boarding school, where children live together, they eat together, and they have fun together. So all these children, you see how they sleep. These are called the bunk beds, and this is a big room where they are living together. Right, true or false? The first one. Divya and Swastik came from their home the previous day. False. Second, Divya did not miss her parents when she was in the hostel. False. Third, to make the Kadha Prasad, flour is fried in the kadhai. True. Fourth, Divya helped in preparing chapatis at the Gurudwara. True. Fifth, the Kadha Prasad was distributed after Ardas. True. Sixth, every child living in hostel do not love to eat homemade food. False. Seventh, eating together is fun. True. Eighth, Kadha Prasad is a kind of halwa. True. Answer the following question 1. What was Gurnur's mother doing when the children met her? Answer 1. Gurnur's mother was making chapatis when the children met her. I repeat, Gurnur's mother was making chapatis when the children met her. Question 2. Why did Divya say hostel life is fun? Answer 2. Divya said so because they enjoyed eating and had fun together. I repeat, Divya said so because they enjoyed eating and had fun together. Question 3. What is langar? Answer 3. Langar is the community kitchen of a Gurudwara which serves meals free of charge to all the visitors. I repeat, langar is the community kitchen of a Gurudwara which serves meals free of charge to all the visitors. So here you can see the world famous Golden Temple, which is a Gurudwara, and it is a worship place of the Sikhs. They come to worship here, and free meals is offered in this Gurudwara, which they call langar. Question 4. Who arranges all the material to cook so much food in the Gurudwara? Answer 4. The people arrange. all the material to cook so much food in the Gurudwara. I repeat, the people arrange all the material to cook so much food in the Gurudwara. Question 5. How does everyone contribute to the work done in the Gurudwara? Answer 5. Everyone working in the Gurudwara contribute in some way or the other. Some arrange for the material, some give money, and others help in cooking and doing different work. I repeat, everyone working in the Gurudwara contribute in some way or the other. Some arrange for the material, some give money, and others help in cooking and doing different work. So here you can see this is a langar is being prepared by all the people together. Some are cooking in big vessels, some are making the chapatis, and all the ladies, they have covered their heads. They show respect when they are in the Gurudwara. And you can see they all are sitting in a line and all are eating together. All big and small are helping in some or the other work. So this is called a langar. So dear children, I hope you have understood. Now your homework is that you need to write all these question answers, blanks and true or false very neatly in your EVS notebook. So thank you and have a nice day.